Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back with another makeup tutorial for you guys today. Today I'm creating this really soft purple glitter look. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. And also if you want to be entered for our monthly giveaway, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed, turn post notifications on, and then comment down below if you live in the US because our giveaway is US only. So jumping right into the tutorial for today's palette, I'm using the ABH Norvina Volume 3 collection. And this is what the palette looks like right here. If you haven't seen it already, we already have another tutorial on our channel using it if you want to check that out. So first thing I'm doing is priming my eyelids, and I'm using my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop contouring concealer, and I did set it with some translucent powder as well. So the first shade that I'm going into is this one right here called B5, and it's a really beautiful neutral transition color. It's not too cool, it's not too warm, it's kind of right in the middle. So I'm just applying this to my crease, and I am doing a cat eye type of look, so I am dragging out that outer corner and just really applying this in the center of the crease and just really saturating that color right smack in the center, but still doing circular motions at the same time. And then if you feel like you need an extra blend, you can grab an even fluffier transition color brush and just really diffuse out those edges. Next, I'm going into my angled brush, and I'm going into this shade right here called B4, and it's a really beautiful light purple magenta shade. And I'm just starting to carve my crease and winging out that outer edge like I said before. And I'm just focusing on really getting a nice even pigmented line for this look. And then I'm grabbing this small tapered brush and our first transition color, and I'm just really buffing out that line. And we're going to start to build some gradient into the crease. So I did redraw that line off camera and then re-blend it out with a little bit of that magenta shade. So you guys will see in the next clip that it looks a little bit more vibrant, and it's just because I redid those two steps. And you can redo those two steps as much as you like to get that desired depth and desired blendedness. So I'm going back into our transition color and just really buffing that into the crease, making sure that we didn't lose any of that shade. And then I'm grabbing this small angled brush and some more of my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop contouring concealer, and I'm just carving my lid and bringing it all the way out to that outer corner, and of course setting the lid as well. And we're just going to be prepping for the next few shades that we apply over top. So I am going to be setting this with some translucent powder just so that none of this budges or transfers. So it's just going to really help keep everything in place. And I like to use this really small brush from the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill collection. Most of the brushes that I use are from the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill collection, but I try to leave a list of brushes in the description box so you guys can check that out. Next, I'm going into this shade right here called E5. It's just a nice shimmery purple shade. And I'm just applying this to my lid, and I'm kind of just really focusing this to be on the inner half of my lid and just dragging outward whatever's left over, because we are going to be going back into that light purple magenta shade, and we're going to be diffusing that onto the outer edge in a minute. So next I'm grabbing this brand new glitter by Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Team No Sleep, and we're going to be applying this to the inner half of our crease and also on that outer wing. So I'll be showing you guys how I achieve that a little bit later on in the tutorial, but first I'm just applying this to the inner half of my lid, and I use my Too Faced Glitter Insurance glitter glue underneath this glitter just to really help keep everything in place. And then going back into that light purple magenta shade once again, like I said, we're going to be diffusing that onto the outer edge and just kind of building some depth. And we are going to be doing shadow liner for this look. It's probably one of my favorite techniques to use in my looks these days is shadow liner. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous, especially when you apply falsies. It just really helps them blend to the eye better, and it gives that little extra detail that just really makes a huge difference in your looks. So I'm going into this darker purple shade in the palette, And we're just going to be applying this onto our lash line and just kind of drawing a wing and then going back into the tapered brush to help us blend it out and just kind of lightly doing strokes over top of that liner. So once we've peeled off the tape and applied our foundation and concealer, I'm just doing the same thing that we applied in the crease. So I just applied a line of glitter glue, and then I'm applying a line of glitter just on that very outer edge. And the best way to do it is to slowly apply the glitter so it's not messy and it's super precise. And then for lashes, I applied my Shop Sophie Bella Bali lashes. The link to check out those lashes will always be in the description box down below. And then I just grabbed that purple magenta shade and I just buffed that onto our lower lash line. I decided to keep the lower lash line a little bit more simple for this look. And then I grabbed my Mad Lash mascara by The Balm and I just coated my lower lashes. And I grabbed my Pop Beauty Gilded Light highlighter for my inner corner. Trying to switch it up for you guys, trying to use different inner corner highlights as well. So this is the finished look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching. If you watched to the very end, thank you so much for all of your support. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!